What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Julie. If you're new here, welcome. In tonight's video, I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY Extra for the month of July. This is what we're looking like in here. So let's just get right into it. Okay, first thing is the Juice Commodity travel size. I can't remember if I added this on. This is one of my most worn perfumes, so I probably added this on just to restock. I literally love that perfume so much. I get so many compliments on it. Next is the Anastasia Brow Definer. This is like a triangular brow pencil, and it is like a little tiny mini one. Great. I think this is in soft brown as well. Let's see. Nope, this is in taupe. Tried this product before, I've loved it. Anastasia is like the classic brows. So then we have the Born This Way Sunset Stripped eyeshadow palette. Ooh, it's got like palm trees on the back. Wow, gorgeous. It does have a smell. It kind of smells like sunscreen. I can't really pinpoint the smell, but it's like all these beautiful bronzy, gold, Shall We Dance, Nude Beach, Surfboard, Butter Pecan, Hey Honey, Chai Times, Bonfire, Black Sand. Let me know if you guys want a makeup tutorial with this. Okay, now this is like the main deal. For July, IPSY's theme was Passport to Play. And again, it's one of these like drawstring bags, which I don't love. I hope they don't make these permanent because it just feels like way cheaper than the zippy ones. So this is from Verb. This is Amber and Jasmine, like a body mist. That smells really good. Whew. Yummy. What a beautiful like nighttime smell. It's like very soft. It's like a dreamy type smell. Okay, next is the Style Dry Hair Mask, Passion Fruit Pop. This is a rinse out hair mask. It does smell like passion fruit. Yum, I'm gonna try this tonight. Next, this is the Saturday Skin Yuzu and Water Blossom Serum. Ooh, it smells like yuzu. It smells really good. Super bright citrus smell. This is the What's Up Beauty Rose Setting Spray. A very lovely mister. It doesn't really have a smell. I thought it would, considering that it's like rose, but feels really nice on the skin. And last in this little baggie, Drunk Elephant Plump Sea Triptide Lip Mask. Oh, so this is a lip mask? Honestly, I don't love their packaging. It's kind of like clunky. It does not smell like anything. It does feel very thick and hydrating. That actually feels like really good. So don't love the packaging. The product feels amazing. All right, you guys, that is what was in my July IPSY Extra. Let me know if you guys received this. How did you like your bag? Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and thank you for watching.